Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best beauty tools on the market. Today, we're going to take a look at the YaFex Derma Roller for face and body, the best microneedling kit you'll find for your skincare routine. If you're looking for a high-quality, versatile derma roller that works for both your face and body, this is the product you need. This 6-in-1 titanium microneedling roller kit comes equipped with 3 different needle sizes: 0.25 mm, 0.3 mm, and 0.5 mm. It includes 300, 720, and 1200 needles, allowing you to customize your treatment depending on your skin's needs. Whether you're targeting fine lines, scars, or just looking for an overall skin rejuvenation, this kit has you covered. The 0.25 mm needles are perfect for daily use on the face, while the 0.3 mm needles can tackle deeper issues like wrinkles and stretch marks on both the face and body. The kit also features 5 replaceable heads, which is a huge advantage over many other products on the market. This means that you don't need to buy a new roller every time you need a new needle head. Simply replace the head and continue your treatments. Not only does this save you money, but it also ensures that you always have a fresh, clean needle for every use. Crafted from high-quality titanium, this derma roller is both durable and effective. Titanium is known for its ability to stay sharp for longer periods, making it a perfect choice for microneedling. Plus, the roller's ergonomic handle is easy to hold, which means you can use it with confidence, even in hard-to-reach areas. Another great feature is the portability of the YaFex Derma roller. It's lightweight and compact, so it's easy to take with you when traveling or to keep in your bathroom for regular use. Whether you're at home or on the go, this kit is designed to fit seamlessly into your skincare routine. In addition to the roller itself, you'll also receive a cleaning brush and a protective cap to ensure your device stays clean and ready to use. Regular cleaning is important when using microneedling tools, and this kit makes it easy to maintain hygiene. What's great about this product is that it's ideal for anyone looking to do microneedling at home. You don't need to visit a salon or spend a fortune on treatments. This kit is easy to use, and with proper technique, it can give you professional quality results right in the comfort of your own home. So, if you're ready to level up your skincare routine and try something that can help improve your skin texture, reduce scars, and promote collagen production, the YaFex Derma Roller is the way to go. With its top-notch materials, multiple needle options, and affordable price, it's the best microneedling kit for both beginners and advanced users. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews on the latest beauty products. See you in the next video.